Ostentation. This is the most essential element of our generation. The Del Monte will make anything appear gorgeous. By arranging absolutely unnecessary parts in a complicated manner, I wanted a design that would present the true meaning of gorgeous. The control indicators have been precisely engineered to allow every user to personalize their experiences.
Del Monte.
Speak. The finely tuned motion is generated by 30 actuators to provide optimal lighting and sound. The stage is illuminated with 8 unique lighting arrangements. First, the side lights spread a wide beam of a full color spectrum, eliminating the eyesore of basic white lighting. Next, the corner spotlights rotate on 2 axes to ensure that your presentation receives accurate and maximum brightness. Regardless of size, the Del Monte will precisely illuminate anything, even when you don't know what will arise. A specialized smoke system discharges so much smoke, the grandeur will move you to tears. By ignoring concerns of size and weight, we have achieved the greatest stage, growing to over 1.4 times larger than any before. No compromises have been made with design when it came to the new Del Monte. Through evolving the basic structure, we can introduce with unwavering confidence this gorgeous showbox has established a new form of ostentation.